Welcome to another episode of Mechanics on Duty. Today we're going to show you guys how to do a headlight bulb change on a 2014 Honda Accord. If you go back at the light, you're going to see the bulb and the connector there. All you do is turn it counterclockwise. You remove the connector, turn the bulb counterclockwise, and it should come right out. The seal is behind, so you're gonna pull the seal out too. The new bulb comes with the seal. You take the new bulb, put the bulb in, and it twists back on clockwise. And then last, you plug in the connector. It should snap right in and you should hear it click. And that's it. That's how you change a bulb on a 2014 Honda Accord. And then you can test it.